Hi everybody, this is Teresa. Hope everybody's having a great day. Had a great day. For tonight's video, I'm gonna go ahead and do a makeup tutorial on how I did my makeup for the Wicked sing along earlier this week. So let's get started. So if anything, I wore this hairband. I believe it's from Scrunchy, and this is the Elphaba inspired hairband, black and green. So I used it. Keep my hair simple, but I'm gonna go like this. So I just wore this hairband. That's it. And then I wore this Elphaba t-shirt from Wicked for Good. So here it is. And now I'm gonna copy this look to here. So So what I used so far before I started filming this video, I actually brought this one from the Wicked Elf for Good Elphaba makeup set. It's right over here. The box is here, and I brought this with me for touch-ups, and it's called Eclipse Blush and Lipstick in Braverism. So I just use this to touch up, and that's it. I just put on my lips. I didn't actually use the eyeliner the lip liner that goes with this one, and it's called again. This is from the Elphaba's makeup set from Wicked for Good, REM, of course. At the Borderline Lip Liner Pencil in Defy Expectations. So a little ombre look going on here. And then I might as well do the blush, how I did the blush. Okay, so this is so all my makeup except my cover up makeup I wore that night, but the rest of the makeup's all REM, of course. Gotta have that. So this is the REM times Wicked for Good. This is the Cherry Blossom palette, blush palette, in the pink one. So I chose the pink one. I like it better than the curly peachy one. So the way I did my blush, I just took this slanted angled blush brush from Elf, and I just took the middle shade right here. It's gonna go like this. Trying not to put too much, so I'm gonna aim more from for the cheekbone. Okay, and I took this what is this one? It's a blending brush. I don't remember what company this is from. So I took this shade right over here. I use it as my my blush highlight. I put it above the tried to aim above the cheekbone where the blush is at. I could have used that lip and cheek stick, the cheek and lip stick, the one I use in my lips, but I decided not to do it. Decided to try this blush out anyways. Okay. All right, now for the eye look. So far, if you're wondering whether or not I've seen the second movie, The Wicked for Good, yet, not at this time. I'm waiting for my family to watch it. Also, the first movie, if anything, like at least we've seen the play, the three of us saw the play back in 2007 when Wicked first came here to Los Angeles and Pantages Theater. So I saw it with Megan Hilty. She was the star of Smash, one of the stars of Smash. She played Glinda, and Galinda turned Glinda, and then Elphaba was Eden Espinosa. Awesome. Any who I'm trying to remember. I forgot the name of the one who played Fiera. I think it's Cusick or Christopher Cusick. I forgot what the guy who played um what's his name, Fiero. So okay, let's get this. I'm gonna stop the chat. Um, so I'm gonna take last year's REM Beauty times Wicked, the eyeshadow this eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna copy the look that suggests the look that's provided from here. So I copied that look. So of course I'm aiming for what is the idea of how they would do the Elphaba row. It's just in the middle of this palette. So you have it. Bring it out. Let's do this. Okay. So according to this one, I'm gonna take my flat shader brush from Wet n Wild. I'm gonna take well, I mean, I'll try it with the brush first, and then if anything, I will also do it by fingertip too. So I'm going to take Normal is Overrated. It's just like champagne, like like a rose gold kind of thing. So I'm going to try it with the brush. How would I? Oh, it's pretty soft, so I can go like this, and just pat it as much as I can, and then I'm gonna pat it with this brush on my lid. Trying to remember the instructions. So, or you can, you can also do it. I can also do it with the fingertip as well. Okay. Okay, so that's Normal is Overrated on the lid. Drop that. Okay, move on. Okay. Okay. Moving on. I just had a little bit disturbance, noise going on. I'm just gonna go for the video, and stuff like that. Okay, the next one, it's called Bewitching. It's right over here. So they said in the instructions, blend a long crease. I'm gonna take my Fluffy Essence blending brush. I'm gonna take Bewitching. I'm gonna put them in the crease. Pat, 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 pat. Trying to way too much. So I'm gonna put it on the crease. Windshield wiper motion. Put it into corner. Okay, matches. All right, cool. Like the other eye. Next, she's phosphorescent. It's right over here. The sparkly, real dark sparkly color. And it's, what does it say for me to do? Blend to outer corner and lower lash lines. So I'm going to start with this crease brush. Let me wipe it down with the sponge. This take off this eyeshadow to make as clean as I can. And so it's again, let's do this one. I just want to make sure I'm not making a mistake. Okay, so she's phosphorescent right over here. Put it on the outer quarter and lower lash line. So I'm going to take this crease brush, dip this one into the she's phosphorescent, into the shadow, and I'm going to do a dot first, like this. like a dot and an angle at the same time, you know. Okay, when I'm ready, I'm gonna go. I feel like going like this. Blend, blend, blend. And blend, blend. Okay. Yeah, for as long as I'm satisfied. Okay, and then I'm trying to think. I'm trying to look for. I'm gonna do my. Find my. I'm gonna use this. Okay, I feel like using this double-ended steel eyeliner brush. I'm gonna use the flatter side to line my lower lash line with the She's Phosphorescent. So here we go, flat side of this double-ended brush. This is what it looks like. Dip it. If you want, if you're gonna put setting spray, wait until you put the setting spray. Preferably setting spray. As soon as you put the eyeshadow on the eyeliner brush, and then I'm gonna put on my lower lash line. That way the eyeliner the eyeshadow will last long on the lower lash line. Okay, that's what it looks like. And one more shadow to go. So I don't care, I'm gonna wipe off this old one. So I'm gonna take the Positively Green. The only thing left to do is put the Positively Green on and line it on the upper lash line. So it's too bad I forgot to bring the setting spray with me. Had I done, I made a mistake that night when I was watching the movie. I put the setting spray, then dip in an eyeshadow. Big mistake. So I'm gonna take the pointed end of the steel double-ended eyeliner brush. I'm not gonna go like this. I'm just gonna go like this. And I would put I did put some kind of setting spray before lining my top lash line, like so. That way the eyeshadow slash eyeliner will make the color pop more and be more really super pigmented. It's like a, let me do that one more time. Almost done. And that's it. Okay. Until my next video, whenever that is, peace out, bye, and good night.